A lot of people I know have solar. I said, if the grid goes down, does the solar work? And they said, no. I said, well, what's the point? Why do you have solar? Here in California, we have lots of climate events. When you have solar and a Powerwall, I get to control all that. I like the independence.
My financial advisor had put Tesla solar on her house with the battery.
Steve recently purchased this house and Steve wanted to put solar on it. And I said, go look at Tesla.
They installed the panels on the roof and the Powerwall, everything that it needed in that one day. Here's what I'm looking at on the app. Powerwall is 100% and 2.7 is going to the grid.
During the day, when the cost of energy is lower, the solar runs the house. When the cost of energy is higher, the Powerwall runs the house. It automatically knows when to do it.
The last bill was a minus $64.83, but look at the credit for the years to date, $492.82. I feel great.